So I'm about to cut my dad's hair, and I've never cut anybody's hair before, especially a man's hair, and I'm really terrified.
Not as terrified as I am. Hi everybody, welcome to the Queendom.
Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Ingle, and this is Father Ingle. That's actually what Michelle calls me.
Michelle calls me Father Ingle.
It makes you sound like a priest. So my dad really needs a haircut. So we've both actually been isolating separately. And you know what? It was a little ridiculous because every single member of our family was isolating in a different house. And so now we get to isolate together, which is not isolated.
It's something.
What is it? It's something. It's something, that's for sure. So now we're quarantining together, and now he has somebody to help him cut his hair.
No offense, Danielle. Danielle cuts my hair.
Oh, Danielle cuts your hair. I'm sorry, Danielle, for the mess that you're gonna have to clean up after I do this. I'm really scared of the clippers. So he's a pilot, and there's like certain rules that it has to follow. Yeah, I found a hair tutorial to follow. A lot of you might follow me to learn things about hair. I learn things about hair, and I study like the chemical composition of hair and the science of hair, but I'm terrible at styling hair.
Still can't make mine grow.
I've never cut a person's hair. I have cut a wig's hair, but wigs are different because you can stick pins in them.
I would prefer not.
These are really intense looking.
She messes it up, she's taking it all off.
And apparently, I didn't know people's eyebrows could grow as long as yours are. Like, they're almost as long as this brush. But we do have Brad. Do you know Brad Mondo?
No.
You're probably the only person that doesn't know who Brad Mondo is. If you watch this channel, I assure you almost all of you know who Brad Mondo is. Brad Mondo makes like the best hair videos on YouTube. And so he also likes to help people and educate us and tell us how to do hair so that we don't royally mess it up. Okay, here's Brad Mondo.
Hi, beautiful.
Whoa,
How
is
are
it
we
too
today?
loud?
You just called me beautiful.
Amazing, ravishing. Thank you.
Yes.
Today I'm teaching you how to do a men's hair. Let's get cutting.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Brad, I'm holding you responsible.
Let's rake
I don't
all the
have
hair
that
back
much hair to
first,
comb
just
back.
like that. So you're gonna look at where
I just
the
feel like
hairline-
this is a little bit different situation.
So typically men's hairlines, even women's, it has that kind of squared off, which is like right there. You're gonna go from right there all the way back. And if you don't have clips for this portion,
Clip
you can also
it,
just
just
use
so it
water, but
looks
just make sure
like
you're not wetting the
this is-
sides too much.
There's nothing to clip, I only have about it.
But how will I know where to go? Like,
Just gotta kind of cut around
your
it.
underneath hair looks like Grandpa's did, and
It's
the top
very-
does not.
Yes, it's very hard to cut.
And you're gonna begin. Now what's important with the clippers is to always do this motion.
See my
Practice
line?
that for me.
Practice.
This
Oh, wait,
motion.
motion.
Up the head and off the head.
Up the head,
and
off
off
the
the
head.
head.
Up the head,
and
off
off
the
the
head.
head. Turn her on and you can begin. Up the head, off the head. Up the head, off
Okay.
the head.
Okay, just so you know, this goes like up the head and off the head.
Yes, up the head and off the head. Is it working?
I think so.
I know it's cutting.
Yes. Nothing terrible has happened yet. How high up did he want us to go?
I don't know. We're not. He's not on the back now.
I should have paid more attention.
You see how it's very short right here and it gets longer up here? That's when you know you did it correctly. Now you should have something that looks a little bit like this or exactly like this.
Remember, I do not have enough hair to blend.
Okay, so we might have to be like freestyling this a little
Yes,
bit.
you're gonna have to freestyle a little bit.
Oh boy, but we'll still listen to Brad Mondo technique. Brad Mondo, next video idea, old bald men that still have hair.
Had hair.
Had hair.
A lot of hair coming off.
Yeah. I honestly would feel more comfortable, I think, with scissors.
I guess this is the part they're gonna have to fast forward. You're gonna turn it this way, and you can go down and draw the line around where my neck should be.
Okay. Is this like got a protector on it at all?
It's not gonna hurt me, no. You push a little harder.
I don't want to hurt
You can't hurt me. And you go down as far as you want. I mean, just because eventually you're gonna take that off and come up. You're gonna get my sideburn and kind of do the same thing. See a little bit. If you kind of do this, it'll blend together.
Okay.
See how that's working?
Uh-huh.
You kind of work your way around my ear, pull my ear down, and kind of work your way around my ear.
I'm not an expert on men's hair, so I don't really know what it's supposed to look like, but I wouldn't look at you weird walking down the street.
Okay.
Now with our one guard, we are doing the same thing again, but only going up about the first inch of the hair. And in the back, we're going up the same. So you're gonna follow the line you made in the front all the way around.
All right.
Okay. Oh, no, we're not doing no. Ah!
You didn't need that.
Now I'm all tangled.
And that'll give us the clean line that we need.
I don't really know what it's supposed to look like is the problem.
With the line, see around his ears and stuff, it's a nice clean. All right.
Okay.
Now, kind of take your fingers and come across my ear, and I bring them even with my eyes, the sideburns.
What?
Pull my, you can cut my sideburns up even with my eyes.
Like that?
I know they've come down a long ways, so you can bring them up. I'd rather have them a little bit too high than too low. I can cut them anytime you draw the line, then when I use the razor, I'll cut it. I'll take
What?
that out of my ear.
Yeah.
Okay, are we done with those?
I think we're done with the clippers.
Okay, put these
Okay.
back.
We're gonna take our comb in one hand and our thinning shears in the other hand. We're gonna put the comb underneath the hair. We're gonna go on top and we're just gonna thin that out
That I can.
and blend it in.
It's just this one area right here.
Yes, that's the hard area. I forgot the one you had.
You have a hard area?
Danielle, haha, she found it.
There's like, your head is weird or something. You like have an indention or...
It's not only that, it's my hair is really, you won't get that right.
Whatever, you got like a dent.
Dent in my head.
We are going to part the hair down the center. Doesn't need to be perfect, just get it parted. You're gonna take your scissors,
You
whatever
can't
you
do that
have.
much.
You know,
No.
your
See how we did that, but don't cut that much off because I don't have
because
that
you don't
much.
have that much. These are actually technically this stuff.
You can go up.
Up?
That's why we, be careful, don't push too hard though. This will burn.
I'm back. So should we be going up?
Or you just clip on the top one, you can do the middle later.
Made a big difference. You got one guy that's like... Man brows are weird. I'm gonna bring you a mirror.
All right, bring me a mirror.
Oh, the moment of truth. Okay, there you go. What do you think?
Actually, that's pretty good.
Really?
What I can see.
Well, I'm glad it's not horrible.
Brad, thank you.
Yay!
Look, it looks a whole lot better. Oh, wait, last test.
Oh, we gotta see.
Can I go to work?
Passy, we can't see if we can see.
Well, Little chief pilot, send me home. It can't be sticking out over there.
I think we pass.
I get a lot of New York layovers, so I'm coming over if it's best of.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm so glad that it didn't turn out a complete disaster. I was really, really nervous. Question of the day for you guys to answer in the comments. Since my dad is a pilot, once all of this is over, if you could fly anywhere in the world, where would you want to fly? If you want more videos like this, remember to subscribe and ring the little bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Can you call him? Have him talk us through this.
Can I call Brad Mondo?
Tell him to talk us through this.
Brad Mondo is way too big of a YouTuber to answer my phone call.
Brad, but it's worth it.
Oh, that's
Pull.
still there. How? Hold on. We made the background blue today because he didn't want pink.
First blood.
Okay, there you go. See, I let him cut my hair too. Oh, even hearing that snip noise in my ear.
We're done with the haircut.
Oh, he's styling it.
Okay, we don't need to style mine. Get the clippers. She slides me between our clients.
Ouch, ouch, I cut me.
How could you cut yourself with it?
That's what I'm wondering.